So what you want to do to name your files pretty easily, whenever you're kind of working on your project, make sure you're always in the view where you can actually see all your artwork as you scroll down. There's two things, so naming the exercise file here up in the top right, or if you're exporting things individually, is to always add in this title here at the top here. So for example, I'll just do visa logo, and then after this one I'll do inverted B and W, just something like that. So when you do download these two files, for example, so when it comes to downloading them, when you pick your canvas, you'll see that the names populate within the download window, so it makes it heaps easier to just download and rename and put them or on your server or whatnot to make it a bit easier. Say you've got naming convention, it's probably the best way to do it. And there, you can just go download. So these two should download as a zip file. Yep. So I'll just open the zip file and I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So there you go, BZL logo and BZL logo, inverted B and W. The way that I do this is like through my YouTube channel thumbnails, and I'll just create a full list of them and then just rename them as I go. So when I do download them, I can pick and choose which file I need without having to actually scroll through and think about, oh, I can't even see what that is, and I've got a name for each one of them to make life a little bit more easier. So all it takes is like 30 seconds, but it's a bit easier doing things that way, just to keep yourself organized and make things a bit easier. Say for example, you've got more than one type of artwork and you need to actually rename each of these. You can do it this way using the grid view. You can just go in and rename as you wish. Okay, so I hope that kind of makes sense. If you've got any questions, just let me know.